Hi, my name is Bảo Long. I'm 8 years old. I'm from class EF1T. Today I will do recording too. My family is five grandma as the other.
Darling,
Look, this mom's book, and this is Billy Teddy, and this is grandma's umbrella. But where are they? I don't know. Look, ice cream for you. Ah, thank you.
okay.
That's the end of my recording. Thank you for listening. Bye.